Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable light mode on chess.com using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chess.com. And now just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and sign up for one. And now let's get started. So there are two ways to do this. So the easiest way to do this is by clicking this button at the lower left side of your screen that says Light UI. So just go ahead and click on that. You can see that the buttons or the rectangle are now color. And now if you want to go back to the dark mode, just go ahead and click again on the dark UI at the lower left side of your screen. And now the second way to do this is by clicking the settings button at the at the lower left side of your screen and click all settings and click on themes. And here at the upper right side of the box or the window, you can see a dark mode, right? So just go ahead and turn that off. As you can see that the background is now color white. So again, if you want to enable dark mode, just go ahead and toggle the switch on. And that is how you do. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.